Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. Let's get straight into the charts, my friends. Boom. Oh yeah, look at these recent action. Alright, I'm going to press the refresh. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Today we are going over Dogelon Mars, what we need to look for in the coming days and weeks in order to get in at the right price and make the most amount of money. These are the Bitcoin charts. I'm going to go ahead and refresh that. And one more thing I'm going to do is bring up the Crypto Fear and Greed Index so we can judge the overall market sentiment, as the market seems to be in a little bull run at this moment. We are heading towards neutrality, 40 levels. 50 is neutrality, which means that people are becoming more bullish. Clearly, as we can see, last month was extreme fear. Last week was fear. Yesterday was fear, and now it is still fear. However, it is moving more up into these yellows, and eventually we will be back up into these greens, and this is when we want to watch, okay? This is when you guys in the Patreon need to be paying attention, because we will see some averaging out opportunities. If you have trouble selling your positions, either selling for a minor loss so you mitigate that risk, or selling for a major gain because you might be a little emotionally involved, that's okay. Check out the Patreon. The link's in the description. I'll help you get out at the best price. The top of the top of the top, my beautiful friends. Let's get straight into the charts. So, as we can see, we are creating this triple bottom like we have suspected, while we are also holding these higher lows. It's a great thing. I want to bring up this coin right here. This coin right here, Shiba Inu. One of my friends just said it's pumping, and it is. Okay, it's showing around the same price action as Dogelon is. However, Dogelon is only up 2.6%. Shiba is up 6%. So we might have a little more of a run moving into the night coming in this coin right here. So this is what we need to look for in order to confirm. I am still looking to average in the rest of my portfolio, so I will go over the price action and what I look for in order to do so. And I have some news for you guys, so stick to the end of the video. Exciting, exciting. Let's get into it. So if you look at this previous resistance here, we have not only one top, two, okay? And along with this previous support line, okay? So this is a major point of resistance that we need to watch. And we need to break through, preferably tonight, okay? We want to see this candle that has just been created come in and push up high, really high. Preferably, this is the move that we can suspect moving into this night. So we want to see it close or push up to these 754s. Okay, it might show some selling pressure at those levels. However, those are the levels we want to watch. Now, this is our current line of resistance, and it is more of a range than it is a horizontal line, because look at these wicks, okay? This candle was once this candle, okay? It came up and then pushed back down because the seller stepped in. So what we need to do is not only break through the bottom of this rectangle, we also need to break through the top of this rectangle. Boom. The top right around these 760 levels, okay? We want to break through that within, preferably today. If we can see that big upward movement with volume, then it's a very bullish sign that we might just be entering a reversal in the market. So what does a reversal look like? It looks like this, okay? We are still creating higher lows. However, a reversal will look like this, okay? Let me zoom out here so I can show you guys. Very similar charts. The only difference between Dogelon and Shiba Inu is this is about less than 1/13th of the market cap, okay? It's around 1/20th of the market cap. Like 1/30th. It's a lot smaller, okay? Can't do that math right off the top of my head, my friends, but that's okay, because you don't need to be great at math to make money in these markets. You just need to know how to read support, resistance, and yeah, that's pretty much, there's a lot more to it, but that's pretty much the basics. But moving in, okay, this is what emotional psychology looks like. I'm going to grab the brush. All right, so we have two options. We can move up or we can move down. All right. In order to move up, this is what we need to see. Moving forward. This is the most natural movement that we can see. All right. Pulling out the Fibonacci level. Boom, boom. Pulling out this trend line. Measuring from here to here. All right. Boom, boom. This is the most natural move that we can see. All right. What we want to see. And we will most likely see some resistance right around this 0.5 Fibonacci level. Now, if you guys don't know what any of this is, if you don't know what these indicators are, if you don't know how to identify support resistances or what candlesticks are, simple basics. Or even if you want to learn the emotional aspect or even how to day trade, reach out to me on my personal number. I'm going to say it right now, okay? Don't send me any weird texts or pictures or none of that, okay? I'm here because I want to get to know who you guys are. Get to know where you're from, get to know what your goals in crypto are, and how I can help. So I'm going to say my number once and one time only. All right, here we go. 850-376-0889. That's all you got. That's all you get. All right, let's move straight into it. Hopefully the spammers don't get to that. I probably shouldn't have said that. Okay, this is what we need to look for. We're going to see a nice upward movement, okay? We have a little bit of resistance right here. How did I get that, my beautiful friends? You look to the left and you see this here, okay? We also have some resistance right around this area and a little bit of resistance, wee bit right here, okay? Boom, boom, boom. There's a lot of lines going on. I know I'll make it real simple for you guys. Just hold tight, okay? Hold tight. All right, so these are the levels. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? This is the levels that we need to be watching in the coming weeks. Now, we want to see a breakthrough this level within the next 2 days, okay? That will be the first confirmation to add in, to average in, because where's our next stop? Our next stop is right up here, okay? So if we do break through these 7-6 levels within the next 2 days, I personally will be adding the rest of my portfolio in, and I will let you guys know. So, boom, after we break through these 7-6 levels, we want to come up and watch these 8-6 levels, all right? Now, a nice healthy retracement will be right back down, extremely healthy, to these point. I'll zoom in so you guys can see a little bit more. Right here, these 0.382 levels, okay? That is a healthy retracement. An even healthier retracement would be to these 0.236 levels, okay? We will only see that type of movement if Bitcoin is rocketing as well. So, boom, we'll come up to here, retrace one of two ways. Boom, to here, or boom, to here, okay? Now, these are the two bullish patterns that we need to look for, all right? Boom, if we see this bounce, all right? This is in right as it breaks. Let's say you're trading off this pattern. You see this buying pressure step in, you want to add more here, okay? Then you can ride it to this next level, all right? As it comes up, you see this buying pressure step in on this level. You want to add more as it's breaking through this previous line, okay? And then ride it up to the higher next level. And then rinse and repeat. It's a really easy, simple trading strategy. And it works very, very well. So, this is what we're looking for. Pretty much today, we want to see... Today and tomorrow, we want to see a push up to these 7-6 levels, break through them, all right? These 7-6-2s to be specific. Want to break through the top of this rectangle with volume, preferably, and move higher, 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 okay? So, that's what we're looking at. Crypto Billionaire 69. I will catch you guys in the next video. I have some exciting news, and I want to talk to all you OGs that are watching to the end of the video. First of all, I love you, okay? You're going to be very successful, and I know that because you are dedicating your time to watching these type of videos and learning on your own time, okay? Only people with passion and only people who are willing to sacrifice and succeed actually go out there and try and get the information that is out there to learn more. So That is what you guys are doing. And I'm excited to announce that day trading will be coming soon. That's all I got to say. I'm really excited. As you guys that know me, I used to trade futures, right? So, and after being on a couple calls with around three of you guys that I've been on the calls with, first of all, the calls are extremely inspiring to me because it shows how much I'm actually helping you guys, and I really love just getting to know you guys and seeing how I can help you in the future with making money in the cryptocurrency markets. But some of you guys want to know how to trade futures, so I might just have to bring that up for you guys because there's a lot of money to be made in those future markets, and I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. So stay tuned for that. Could be this week, could be next week, could be the next week, but it's coming. All right, it's coming, and I will keep you guys updated on that. Some live trading going on. I will catch you guys in the next video. Crypto Billionaire 69. I hope you guys are doing good. Staying safe out there in a crazy world right now. We got a lot going on, and we're a community. We got to stick together. So, whenever I want to start up a Discord or a private chat of some sort, just so all of our beautiful minds can come together. We got the Patreon, and we got a bunch of good, smart people in there right now. I'm thinking like a day trade chat as we move forward. However, that will come later, but I just want to let you guys know, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.